you're right that I come from a background that is one that is in the context of Jamaica. I have been blessed and fortunate in terms of being from a relatively well-off family and so on. But my life has been one where I have, from I was a teenager, um, coming up, always exposed and myself and moved in circles which led me into communities in the inner city areas and so on. I grew up on the university campus, and I used to play football and cricket and so on with youths from Augustown and Hermitage. And later on, as a teenager, started to go dance and thing, and got to know more about how ordinary Jamaicans live and their the struggles and challenges that they have in their lives.
Hmm.
And then in my constituency of South St. Andrew, which is, you know, communities like Jonestown, Annie Gardens, or call it Jungle,
Hmm.
Rima, Rosetown. These are um, inner city communities with the challenges of poor infrastructure and amenities and so on, and violence that rears its head from time to time and so on. So having having taken that on, I've had to show my capacity for engaging with and persons at all levels of the society,
Hmm.
and I treat everybody with respect and try and I don't feel I'm better than anybody else. So I've I think people um, feel comfortable with me as a person and feel that I'm somebody they can engage with and have access to.
Hmm.
I mean, if you look at it, someone like Michael Manley, who is perhaps the most loved of any prime minister in Jamaican history,
Hmm.
came from came from a privileged background as well. I mean, his father was the top barrister in the country, and his mother was you know, born in England, but a great artist. So, I mean, I don't think the fact that one comes from a different socio-economic level than the masses of the people precludes you being able to have a real relationship with them, and them feeling that you care and identify with their struggle and cause.